Hello, my name is Aimee, and with my partner Eniife, we are here to present to you our ENCMP 100 programming contest submission. Our team built an engineering calculator designed to streamline academic challenges. The project calculates unit conversions, quadratic formulas, and resultant vectors with a specific focus on 2D and 3D vector calculations. The team was inspired by the curriculum in Eng 130 and Math 102. And we wrote this program independently using resources such as our lectures, YouTube videos, and the Python for Everyone textbook. Our project's code was primarily split into 3 different versions, representing our growth from a basic script to a professional engineering tool. Version 1 was our proof of concept. It had basic functionality and very few functions, but absolutely no visuals. It worked, but it wasn't user-friendly yet. The primary issue with version 1 was fragility. If we wanted to add new features, we had to carefully nest another else-if statement, making the code hard to read and easy to break. We also lacked any validity checking on our inputs, meaning a single typo could crash the entire program. In version 2, we performed a major refactor by switching to match case. This changed our code from a series of repetitive checks into a clean switchboard, allowing us to handle user inputs more elegantly and making our main menu far more professional and scalable. To aid in the overcoming of our code redundancy issue, we implemented a toolbox method, creating functions that were usable in multiple subspaces of our calculator. For example, since unit conversion, vector calculation, and force resultant all cared for magnitude, we created a validate magnitude function that could be used in all spaces to check that the magnitude stayed above 0. We also created functions test to guarantee that the quality of our code was up to standard. By using mock inputs, we were able to simulate various user errors and verify that our toolbox handled these errors correctly, ensuring that our calculator would not crash. We also introduced plotting to this version. However, while the code was functional, the visuals were static and difficult to interpret due to the lack of axes and labels. For version 3, we aimed to make the visuals look more professional. The addition of axes and labels was simple, so we further challenged ourselves to add animation for our 2D plots. This animation journey itself had 3 internal stages. First, we moved from static images to a sequential method where they snapped into place. Second, we implemented the linear interpolation using np.linspace, which allowed the arrows to physically grow on the screen, providing a sense of magnitude. Looking at our final code, we used NumPy to break each force into smaller steps. By maintaining a running total of the x and y components using Rx and Ry cumulative, the program calculates a new starting point for every subsequent vector, creating this tip-to-tail visual. The most challenging part was ensuring that the resultant vector updated in real time. By removing and redrawing the resultant arrow in every frame of the loop, we successfully illustrated how the total force changes as each individual component is added to the system. So what did we learn? The development of this engineering calculator was guided by the fundamental principle that mathematical accuracy must come first. Before any emphasis was placed on visuals or animations, we ensured the core engine could compute precise and reliable results, as a calculator's utility is entirely dependent on its correctness. As the project scaled, we realized that creating reusable functions was essential for efficiency. By developing a toolbox of modular components, such as our input validation loops, we were able to apply consistent logic across different sections of the code, from unit conversions to complex vector math. Finally, we learned that organization and readability are just as critical as technical functionality. Writing clean, systematic code is what allows an engineering tool to be maintainable, scalable, and professional. Thank you.